Here comes the mom.
Today, we have a challenge for you. We've collected the absolute silliest, most ridiculous cat clips the internet has to offer. The kind of videos that make you ask, is my cat okay?
Mama said eat. Don't say no. Didn't finish.
Bunu kim yaptı ha? Mutfak savaş alanı gibi sen mi dağıttın? Bana bak sakın bunu yapma. Kim yaptıysa söyle. O benim misin?
A very sudden and unexpected movement, like a fur ball shot from a cannon. A total sudden blur, like a fuzzy missile launching from a tube. A massive sudden jump, like a fur-covered cannonball. We've all seen it. That moment when a cat decides that the laws of physics are merely suggestions, and it must defy them immediately. The funniest sudden jumps are always caused by absolutely nothing. The cat isn't running from a dog or a loud noise. They are running from an internal crisis or an invisible phantom. Oh, you want the full scoop on a cat destroying a house? Fantastic! Let me tell you, inviting a cat into your home is like hiring a very cute, very narcissistic contract killer for your interior design. It's not destruction, it's feline remodeling. Sees that perfectly coiled paper as a challenge. A glorious, fast, unrolling game. In a flash, your bathroom becomes the center of a blizzard of white fluff. To a cat, the TV isn't an entertainment device. It's a magical portal to a parallel world, filled with ridiculous hunting opportunities. Here is how the cat interacts with that glowing box. This is the classic move. You are watching a highly anticipated, action-packed movie. And at the climactic moment, the cat jumps up and sits squarely in the best viewing spot, providing you with a perfect view of its fluffy tail and clean rear end.
The door is open. You don't have to do this. It's open.
Raggy! Stop!
If you live with a cat, you know that your house isn't truly yours. It's a giant obstacle course, stage, and napping spot curated by a fluffy overlord. Their daily routines are less about actual helpfulness and more about maximizing comedic potential.
I don't think I've ever seen anything like this.
Needs to fucking stop. Let's see a handstand. Damn straight.
These funny moments are a daily reminder that life with a cat is less about orderly living and more about embracing the constant hilarious chaos.
My boy.
You don't own a cat. You're just a highly paid, live-in employee serving a tiny, furry landlord who seems to believe your house is an interactive demolition zone.
I didn't have this on recording.
You can't win. You can only manage the losses. You are a servant. Your house is a playground. And your cat is judging your decorating choices. Cat surprising a person? Oh, I've got the scoop on the Ninja Cat Surprise. These little guys are not just pets. They are highly trained, fluffy agents specializing in sudden, unnecessary heart attacks. You think, wow, the house is so peaceful. Where is Mittens? Probably taking a nice little nap with that cam.